Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up an SEO split test within SEOTesting.com. So an SEO split test is where you want to compare one group of URLs that you've made a change to, which is your test group, against another group of URLs that remain the same, to see how those changes impact clicks and rankings and so on. So within SEOTesting.com we log in, and this is our dashboard that we see that has all the different sites that we work with. So we want to pick the site that we want to create our split test against. And from the left-hand menu, we have the split testing section. Here we can see tests that are processing, live tests and completed tests. But what we want to do is create a new split test. We're going to give it a name. So this one, I'm going to say page titles changed. And with a description, we want to describe the change that we've made. So when we come back and look at the test data later on, we can tell exactly what it is that we were testing. So date the change was made, we can leave that to today, or we can go back and set it to a date in the past if we made our change a few days ago, for example. And now what I'm going to do is just copy in the control group of URLs. So these are the pages where we haven't made the change to, and we're going to compare that to the test URLs. So these are the URLs where we have made the change. We can pick our test period. So generally it's good to pick a test period that's as long as possible, so 6 weeks. And we can also set it to be an ongoing test as well. So this is where the test will just continue to run and collect data on an ongoing basis. So then we can click create, and this sets up our split test. So SEO testing now will go and collect some data, pre-process it, and as the days progress on, we'll collect more and more data, and you'll start to see the results flow in to the tool. If we take a quick look, this is what the results look like. So we can see here, this is a split test that we've been running. This is some data from before the test starts, and then the red line is when the test starts, and then this is the data that's collected afterwards. So what you generally want to see is the black line appearing above the blue baseline. With this particular test, you can see there's not actually much difference has been noted. The black line and blue line are pretty much in line with each other. But as you go down, you can see we also plot the average position for the test group against the control group, click-through rate, the daily sum of clicks, and so on. So if these are running as continuous tests as well, you'll notice as well with this continuous test here, you can see we collect the data for a long period of time as well. So if these are two groups that you want to compare against each other for a long period of time, set it up as a continuous test, and you can track that on an ongoing basis. Thanks very much for watching.